How to substitute players on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your PL application from your device and get logged into your FPL account. Then here tap onto Fantasy option. And at this page, you will see Pick Team option. Tap Open it. You will see all your team members. Tap on anyone that you would like to substitute. Then you will see the option of Substitute. Tap onto it and choose which of the player you would like to substitute this player with. Let's go ahead and do it again. You can also select this person for captain if you tap on this captain option. And once done, tap on confirm on your top right. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.